Marlo Heat Transfer Solutions, providing custom-engineered products for your unique applications for almost a century. All Marlo water coils can be designed with a split core. They are custom-built in smaller sections with heavy-duty steel sealing plates and can be split into as many sections as your configuration requires. Each coil is engineered specifically to your project and can be customized to fit your existing piping or ducts. The coils are assembled and leak tested before shipping. Conquer space constraints with split-core coils because installation becomes practical and cost-efficient. Floor space is also maximized in new construction. Less area is required for maintenance and repair. Contact an independent rep or Marlo sales expert by visiting www.marlocoil.com.